No missed calls. Turn off silent mode on your iPhone. Do you notice of recent that you missed a lot of calls on your iPhone? Maybe you've accidentally enabled the silent mode. Maybe accidentally you've lowered the volume of your phone to the least, thereby preventing your calls to ring out. Maybe you disable vibration on your iPhone. So all this is what makes your iPhone not to ring out and resulting in missed calls. So let's try and fix out all these settings so that you will not miss important call again. First, if you use the new version of iPhone, this button you see here is going to be a button. Just press and hold for a few seconds, then it enable the silent mode and disable it. Like my iPhone is a bit old, so if you see this orange button here, it means this phone is on silent mode. Let me click on that. You can see the silent mode is off. If you tap on it, the silent mode is on. So if accidentally this button is checked or is pressed, it might be the reason you are not receiving call. I mean, your phone is not ringing out on iPhone. Go ahead and check that if it's the reason. Then if it is not the reason, guys, let's try. The next thing is go to settings, tap on settings, then scroll on until you see sound and haptics, tap on it. Now, to be sure that your phone is not on silent mode, you've stopped that, then be sure that the phone is not at this level. If it's at this level, you will miss call because your phone will not ring out. Make sure that your phone ringing is at somewhere else here, where you'll be able to see this here, where you'll be able to hear the ringing of your phone. That is one of the way to be sure that you don't miss out calls. Then the next thing is to be sure that here you have, where you see ringtones, make sure you select any ringtones that can ring, that can give out some noise or sound, because if you choose anyone that is not giving out sound, you might not be able to get notification on your call. And make sure that this none is not selected, because if the none is selected, then you will not receive notification on your iPhone. Then if you check all this and perfectly, but yet you are not getting notification on your iPhone, then let's try from the control center. Swipe down from the control center, then let's come to this focus option. Here we have this if disturb, do not disturb is toggle on, then you will not receive notification. Even if your phone rings, you will not be notified. You will not receive any notification on your messages. So make sure that this is not turned on. Select any of these that works well, and be sure that your phone has a very good setting. So that is all, guys. If this works for you and you've not subscribed, please take a moment of your time, subscribe for more updates like this.